この車で、やってきました。やってきましたというか、なんかどっかオーストラリアのこれは、キャンベラの街が見えるところに来ました。何これ？何か書いてある？何か書いてあります。ほら。うわぁ。なんかもうほんと南国の、なんかリゾートアイランドみたいですよね。なんか鳥たちもすごい綺麗なオウムとか、いっぱいいるんですよ。それでなんていうの、ほらね、鳴き声もすごいでしょ。聞こえますか？なんかすげえ車がバシャバシャってきたけど。ん？
Parliament House?
Parliament House.
That's Parliament House just there in the front.
Wow.
And then up the back is the War Memorial.
Uh-huh.
And that mountain, we're going to go on top
yeah.
of that mountain.
Oh, really?
Yep.
We go to there?
We're going to go up there next.
Okay.
And then after that mountain,
Uh-huh.
we'll go up to that tower.
Okay. All right.
So that's Lake Burley Griffin, the water.
Oh, yeah.
And
Today we can go there?
Then, yep.
Oh, wow.
And then after that, we'll go to lunch.
Okay. You had breakfast?
I had something at home.
Okay. All right, let's go. Beautiful.
So we're going to go up to the second lookout, which is just up here. We'll drive up.
Okay. 喉が痛い。夏風ですよ、夏風。
Just so you know,
Oh?
this,
Hmm?
the long bit, that's the flour.
Oh, yeah.
And it stinks.
Thanks.
It doesn't smell very nice. So when the next stop,
Okay.
we'll be able to see more without as many trees.
Okay.